Hello everyone, I'm Itsy Bitsy Beth from Taste Try Travel. And there's only one thing better than tropical breezes and swaying palm trees. And that's a triple T quickie. Hey, is that beach made of salt? Mm-hmm.
As you wanted a Coke Zero, coconut rum, just a little bit different.
Right.
And I was just going to let you know, rum filled half the cup.
Oh.
Rum filled half the cup. I have just like peach schnapps and pineapple juice. Peach schnapps filled half the cup.
If one shot is good.
8 shots are better.
That's not bad.
Good.
I'm already feeling a little...
One sip. Is this your first drink of the day? Hello?
What?
It actually just tastes like a really good orange juice. Christopher? What happened to your drink? It's been like 20 seconds.
I downed it.
Why?
I don't know. I thought we were leaving.
No.
I thought we were going to the...
Look, like I've been sipping on mine and his is like gone. How was it? Did you like it?
I don't know if Coke has ever thought of putting coconut rum in their bottles, but it might be something they want to look into. Oh, hi. Nice to see you there.
Uh-huh.
Welcome to our yacht club, where yacht people go clubbing. I have no idea what to do for this. I didn't have this idea. Beth had this idea, so I don't know what her concept for this video is.
We're just going to take you along with our evening. We're just going to show you our yacht club. Tag along. You can tag along.
Oh. Hey.
Hey.
I'm not sure exactly how to start it. If, hey, it's just we're in the yacht club. Oh, hey. Guess where we're sitting right now?
Where? I'm not supposed to answer.
In the yacht club.
Ooh.
I bet you want to see around this yacht club of ours. So we're going to take you around, show you things in the yacht club. Oh, hey. Welcome. I took the opportunity to order you a drink. I also took the opportunity to drink your drink. What? I'm going to take you around tonight, show you some highlights.
Oh, I like that. That's a good hook.
On my way to a weekend rumble, I forgot to check where the party was at. Roaming around without any trouble, I began to ask everybody I met, singing, oh.
It's incredible. I love coming up here. It's so, so special. But right now, though, we're here because we're going to celebrate the entire crew. So let's hit it, DJ Paolo.